Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the world of words to expand your vocabulary and make learning English fun and engaging. I'm Alex, your host, and today we have an exciting word that feels like it's straight out of a science fiction movie. Our word of the day is alien. That's right. Alien is a B2 level noun, and it means a person or creature from another place. This could refer to someone from another country or, more often, a creature from outer space. Let's explore how you can use this word in everyday language. The word alien is incredibly versatile. Imagine you're watching a sci-fi movie, and the story features strange beings from another galaxy. Those beings would be called aliens. But it's not just about outer space. In a broader sense, you might hear someone describe something unfamiliar or foreign as alien. For example, moving to a new country could make certain customs or traditions feel alien to you. Now, let's talk about some synonyms for alien. Words like foreigner, outsider, and stranger can often be used in similar contexts. For instance, if someone is new to your town, you might think of them as an outsider until they settle in. Here's an example. The new student felt like a stranger in her class at first, but quickly made friends. Each of these words carries a slightly different nuance, but they all reflect the idea of being from another place or not belonging. On the flip side, let's explore some antonyms for alien. Words like native, local, and familiar provide a strong contrast. If you've lived in your neighborhood for years, you're considered a local. For example, unlike the visiting tourists, the locals knew all the shortcuts through the city. These antonyms highlight a sense of belonging and connection, which is the opposite of what alien often implies. So, how can you use alien in everyday conversations? Picture yourself chatting about a movie you just saw. You might say, "The special effects were incredible, especially when the aliens arrived in their spaceship." Or maybe you're describing your experience traveling to a country for the first time. "The food was so different from what I'm used to. It felt completely alien to me." These examples show how the word can add depth to both casual and creative discussions. Let's try a few more examples to make it crystal clear. The alien spacecraft hovered silently above the city, casting a strange glow over the buildings. As an exchange student, she initially felt like an alien in her host family's home, but soon grew to love their way of life. The concept of living without electricity might seem alien to those of us in modern cities. Each of these sentences demonstrates how flexible and impactful the word alien can be. That brings us to the end of today's episode. We've learned that alien is a noun describing someone or something from another place, whether it's a person from another country or a creature from another planet. We explored synonyms like foreigner, outsider, and stranger, as well as antonyms such as native, local, and familiar. We also saw how to incorporate alien into your daily conversations with practical examples. Thank you for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show and join us in learning something new every day. Before we go, I'd love to hear your creativity in action. Can you create a sentence using the word alien? Share it with us in the comments, and we might feature it in a future episode. Until next time, keep exploring the fascinating world of words.
Goodbye.